how to move files or folder in Google Drive, or how you can relocate your files and folder from Google Drive. Okay, so I'm going to show in my Google Drive. This is my Google Drive. You can see I have folder also and file also. You can easily move so guys, there is a certain way you can move the folder or file. Okay, so if you want to move this folder, you can just drag and uh, just come to the folder where you want to move it, and it will be move. Okay, if I go to the photo and copy, okay, where I have moved this folder, I think. Okay, let me check. Okay, so in this folder I have just moved it. Okay, so you can also move the files also. Just drag it and move to files. So in classroom, this, okay, change who can access. Okay, item will be visible to everyone who can see. Okay, just move it. Now just go to the classroom. Here you can see the file has been moved here. Okay, so you can also move, like, go to the my drive and expand the tree, and here you can see all folder. Now just if you want to move this file into this folder, just click and just move it like this. The same as you can see, it will be moved. Or you can see, you also move any folders in shared file also. Share with me. Okay, in my computer, you can also move like this. You can just right click and go to the move, and you can select the files from here, folder from here, and you can move, like, click on move, it will be moved. Okay, so if I drag this folder and share it with me, see, won't be moved, just saying. Okay, but you can move the shared file folder to the my drive. Just go to the shared file and expand the my drive. You can just drag and, okay, so let me check this one. Okay, it will be moved. Okay, it has moved. You can okay, so it is moved. You can move the files folder only. You can't move the files. If you want to move this folder to this file, this folder, just click on it, hold it, and just move it. So it will be moved. It is creating shortcut. It's not actually moving. If I go to the test folder, so there is, you can see there is a small icon here. It's mean it's create shortcut of shared folder. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.